Have you ever found yourself at the end of the month wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. Many of us struggle to manage our finances effectively. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your spending and save more? That's where Emma comes in. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the Emma Budget app. We'll explore its key features, how to set it up, and how to use it to track your spending, save money, and reach your financial goals. Getting started with Emma. Download and installation. The first step is to download the Emma app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, you'll need to create an account. Connecting your accounts. Emma works by connecting to your bank accounts. This allows it to track your income, expenses, and transactions in real time. Don't worry about security. Emma uses advanced encryption to protect your financial data. Understanding the dashboard. Once you've connected your accounts, you'll be greeted by the Emma dashboard. Here's a breakdown of its key components. Overview. This section provides a snapshot of your current financial situation, including your spending habits, income, and savings. Categories. Emma automatically categorizes your transactions, making it easy to see where your money is going. Goals. You can set financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. Emma will help you track your progress and stay on track. Tracking your spending. One of Emma's most powerful features is its ability to track your spending. You can view your spending by category, time period, and even location. This helps you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Setting budgets. To take control of your spending, you can set budgets for different categories. Emma will alert you when you're approaching your budget limit, so you can make adjustments as needed. Saving money. Emma can also help you save money. You can create savings goals and set aside money from each paycheck. Emma will automatically transfer the money to your savings account, making it easier to reach your goals. Analyzing your finances. Emma provides valuable insights into your spending habits. You can use its analytics tools to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. This information can help you make informed financial decisions. Additional features. Bill reminders. Emma can remind you of upcoming bills so you don't miss any payments. Investment tracking. If you have investments, Emma can help you track their performance. Community. Connect with other Emma users and share tips and advice. Emma is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By tracking your spending, setting budgets, and saving money, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Emma, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.